going to see a high pressure pump. A motor and pump is enough to make this. A plastic coupler is coupled to the pump shaft and motor shaft. This pump is really useful for you. You can make this pump by using various parts. You can see a motor is fitted on a basement. This is a E-core of a transformer. This is very simple. Complication in this section is making this pump. The pump design is explained back of the video. You can see if I turn the shaft inside the pump, turbine is rotating freely. Note that the motor and the pump shaft should be fixed tightly. This is the turbine. This is called Francis turbine. This is very high pressure turbine. So you need to use this. Otherwise you cannot get high pressure. Note the design of the turbine. You cannot directly make the turbine from a part. You need to collect multiple steel parts. This is made upon aluminium. The steel ringing is taken from a device, and the blades are made from a scent bottle, and the bottom of this turbine is taken from a old tape recorder pulley. This nice fit from any motor. This turbine is used in this motor. I cannot show you the turbine in this pump because I tightly fixed this. Use this crossly cutted pipe for the water out. If you don't have the blue pipe, I taken from that blue pipe from a washing machine tube. If you don't have that, use this small pipe as water outlet. For water inlet, use any straight pipe, no need to curve. Section we are going to see turbine design. Turbine design is very important. This is outer cover of the pump, and the center circle is the turbine. Note that turbine and the outer cover should be placed very small gap. If over gap is present, water pressure will be reduced. So use very small air gap between the turbine and the outer cover. Note the curve angle of the turbine blades look like a sine wave. Use this curve accurately. Water outlet. Note the angle. Water outlet should be straight line from the top of the circle and make a hole on the turbine cover. Same cross. Center is the water inlet. If this turbine starts rotating, a vacuum is created in the center of the turbine, so water sucked inside and forced outward by the blades and throw it through the water outline. So we got high pressure. If you made any changes in the design, you cannot get high pressure.